Now go to the next page, page number 11, 1111. The topic is my house, M-Y, my house, H-O-U-S-E, house. Things in my house, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, I-N-E, my, M-Y, my house, H-O-U-S-E, house. What we have to do, circle the odd one out in each set. So here you can see that each row there are given some pictures, so we have to find out the odd one picture. Okay, so first one you see, this is bookshelf where we keep bookshelf, we keep that in our living room we can keep. So next is sofa set usually we keep in our living room. This is flower vase also we keep in our living room. And this is bathtub we keep usually at washroom, in the washroom. So which one is odd one? This is keep that in the living room. So I am writing here, no need to write. Living room. Same thing also, living room. Here also living room. And this is washroom. Means we keep bathtub in the washroom. So this one is odd, circle it. Next row, shower, then mixer grinder, bucket and bathtub. So shower also we can see washroom, mixer grinder we keep kitchen, bucket also washroom we keep, and bathtub also in washroom. So which one is different? Odd one, that mixer grinder. Circle it. Next, the bed, lampshade, pillow, cylinder and table lamp. You see, same thing is here. So bed, where we keep bedroom. Pillow, yes, bedroom, on the bed. Cylinder is in bedroom? No, kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. And this is that lampshade we keep in our bedroom. Which one is odd? That cylinder. Circle it. Next row, cylinder, mixer grinder, gas stove and sofa. So cylinder will be in the kitchen. Mixer grinder also we see in the kitchen. Gas stove we see in the kitchen. And this is we keep in the living room. So which one is odd? This one, that sofa set. Understood? So these two pages, that page number 10 and page number 11 is your today's classwork. Write here CW and today's date 09/04/2021. Same thing here, CW 09/04/2021.